go to the slime.
This slime.
Slimy. Look, it's Melody here. So I get it.
This slime. New.
This slime are really.
Oh!
Yeah. Yours is really silly. So is
this
ew.
pink and blue.
And here is pink and blue. It's almost purple.
Purple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone really likes slime. So.
Yuck.
So, hey, silly, put on the.
Oh no.
They're sillier. Oh, come on. This is fun. Oh, she's just so silly. She just wants to look at
This slime. This purple. No, this blue.
It's keeping blue. And mine is not going up there.
This
2 hours later. It's been 2 hours.
oh. Yeah. Stinky.
Hurry up, silly. 1 minute later. 1 minute and it's so silly. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yuck. Oh, my hand is this one. Ready, and I will put it. Don't worry. Ew. Yeah. Really? This is so yucky. I don't really. But it's playful. Woo.
Funny.
Stretchy.
Stretchy soft. This not holdable.
This is not.
No
Wait.
holdable. And this stretchy and soft. Very soft.
Ew, my hand full of slime.
And this is
silly.
this. You can see this.
I have it one.
Sorry, but you know look.
I sell it. Maybe a little, maybe
This
not.
blue and this pink.
Oh, this match up the color. Ew. And this slime are perfect for toy review. Happy Sweet Apple Pie. All our fans is love slime. So we decided, and you guys said in the comment section below, you said you guys want to see our slime. So we did it. Here it is. Toy review Happy Sweet Apple Pie is always doing yours.
So let's get to play this slide.
So we're going to make an adventure, guys.
Slime.
It smells not so bad.
Slime.
Can you smell your own?
Slime.
Smell it, silly.
Hi.
Smell your slime. I smell. Ew. It tastes just like mine. It tastes really awful. I never
This
did.
baby oil.
So I'm going to put it back. So it will.
This one.
I don't going to put it because mine is too stretched.
Okay, 2.
I doesn't do it because my slime I never put baby oil. She always put baby oil on her slime. Ew. I'm not soft.
Very soft and no holdable.
Stinky.
Yes, stinky. This slime.
It's really, really stinky, stinky, stinky. So we're going to put on some adventure.
Oh.
How we can find our slime.
1 minute later.
Really? I'm so boring.
2.
Why we keep playing on this slime? It's really, it's just really
Yeah.
silly. Don't put it on the blue. It will be purple, silly.
Yes. I need to.
Actually, we doesn't like to change to. I and she. Do you like to put your slime to change color?
Yes.
Ew! You like it? Ew, my slime. Even I doesn't like it. The color is so not matching me. I like pink.
I like blue, pink, and yellow. So I can put the color. Yeah.
Ew, you're going to take a bath with those. Ew. My hands are full of. No. 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 No.
Very, very stinky.
Ew, ew, ew. Ew, 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 ew.
Oh, you can see this.
Ew, mine is too bigger.
Oh, this is very stinky. You can see this. These are very stinky.
Really, really stinky.
And I don't like this.
I never played slime so stinky like this before.
You can see this.
Ew.
Very stinky. I don't like.
I doesn't like this. Really.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yucky.
That's disgusting thing ever I had. Can you help me with this? Ew.
Ew.
I don't like this.
Really. 2 minutes later.
Really?
Oh, this very stinky.
It's been 2 minutes. Ew.
5 minutes later. Okay, guys. See, this very stinky and this too. Okay, now this in the book.
This is named Slime Apple.
This blueberry slime.
Mine
I
is
don't
strawberry slime. SS. Strawberry slime girls. Ew.
I don't care. I don't know.
I would like this.
It is very, very stinky.
Maybe. Okay, guys. So look around here.
Oh, guys, you can see this. Very, very soft and stinky and stretchy. Very, very stinky. I don't care.
I've never been playing slime like this before it. Oh, this is so inky and stinky. Ew, ew, ew! Yucky!
Sorry. I don't like
This is so interesting. I never played slime like this before. In my life, do you ever play this slime before?
No.
She even does not.
Shower. Oh.
Ew, what happened to you?
This slime make my head
Hurt.
hurt. Yo, very, very stinky. And
Here comes the rain. Oh.
okay, guys. Okay, guys.
Thank you so much for watching our slime video.
And
If you like this video, give us big thumbs up. And if you like slime, tell us in the comment down below. Oh yeah, it's time for the shut up question. Do you guys like, what color do you like in slime? Tell us in the comment section below. I hope you guys like our video. I hope you guys like it. Bye.
bye.
Pinky.
Yo. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. I want to keep this slime in
The
this
cup.
cup. Okay. You can see this. This very, very stinky. You can see this. This slime are stinky.
Really? Yeah. Bye-bye.